डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम सीखेंगे कि रेशियोज ऑफ कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ टू ऑफ अ पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स और नेचर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में क्या ताल्लुक है। हम कैसे बता पाएंगे कि एक पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन दी गई होगी उसके उसका यूनिक सॉल्यूशन एग्जैक्टली वन सॉल्यूशन है या कोई सॉल्यूशन है नहीं या बहुत सारे इन्फिनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशंस हैं। इसके लिए हम ले लेंगे जनरल फॉर्म्स। वी विल टेक ए पेयर ऑफ यूनिक इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स इन जनरल फॉर्म। तो हमने कंसीडर ए लेट्स कंसीडर ए पेयर ऑफ यूनिक इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and we take another pair as a2x plus b2y प्लस c2 इज इक्वल टू 0। यहाँ पर इसकी कंडीशन ये है कि न a1 0 होना चाहिए न b1 0 होना चाहिए। सो बोथ a1 square plus b1 square is non-zero. It means that both a and b should not be equal to a1 and b1. The coefficients of the two variables should not be equal to 0. We denoted the condition by this, by writing a1 square plus b1 square is equal to not equal to 0. Also a2 square plus b2 square should be non-vanishing. Both a2 and b2, the coefficients of the variables should be non-vanishing in both the equations, otherwise they will not remain the equation in two variables. So now हमने इनके रेशियोज को देखना है। तो यहाँ पर हमने एक टेबुलर फॉर्म में इसको इंटरप्रेट करें। इसको यहाँ पर मैं लिख लूँगा ratio of coefficients where these a1 b1 c1 are constants, that is real numbers, and a2 b2 are constants. We consider this pair, consider a pair of equations. तो हमने ये पेयर लिया है यहाँ पे, दिस इज पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस। तो हमने इनके कोफिशिएंट्स को देखना है रेशियो बाय द रेशियो। यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे दूसरे कॉलम में, लेट मी राइट डाउन ओवर हियर, रेशियो ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट्स that may also contain constant terms. Number 2, in the second column we will write the nature of graph. And in the third column we will write the nature of solution. And in this column we will write as a remark what will be the nature of the two equations. That is will be a remarkable thing. So first of all, we will, if the ratio is like this, a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, the ratio of coefficients of these two variables, that is x, ratio of coefficients of x is not equal to the ratio of coefficient of y, then what will be the nature of graph? Then in that case the graph of the two equations will be two lines as obvious, but these lines will be intersecting at a point, so we will get a graph intersecting lines, the graph will be a pair of intersecting lines. And the nature, we know that when the graphs are intersecting lines like this, so the lines will intersect at a point, and will give exactly one solution. So nine lines will meet at a point. The point at lines will meet will be the solution of the two lines, equations. Sorry. So we will get a exactly one solution. Exactly one solution that we call as unique solution or unique solution. So in this case we get a unique solution. And what about the pair of liners? The liners are said to be consistent. We call them as consistent pair. Number 2. If the ratio of the coefficients is of this type, that is if a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c2, if all the ratios, that ratio of coefficients of x, ratio of coefficients of y and constant terms are equal, then in this case the lines, the graph of the will be coincident. The lines will be coincident. That is line is like this. ऐसे ग्राफ होगा जैसे हमने कल पढ़ा था. So in this case the two lines will have infinite number of meeting points, so infinite number of solutions. तो इस सूरत में क्या होंगे? Infinite solutions, infinitely many solutions. Coincident lines will be the nature of the graph. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? ये होगा इन, ये होगा डिपेंडेंट, बट लेकिन कंसिस्टेंट होगा ज़रूर, consistent pair. So we get this condition. Number third condition, if the ratios a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, ratio of coefficient of x is equal to coefficient but is not equal to the ratio of constant terms, in this case we get what we get, the two lines, that graph of the equations will be non-intersecting, that is parallel lines, parallel lines. यहाँ पर होंगी coincident lines. Parallel lines means like these lines we do not meet at any point, so in this case we have no solutions. So lines pair will be inconsistent. So let me write inconsistent. So this is whole about the nature of graph and nature of solution and the consistency of a pair of equations in two variables and the ratio of the coefficients.